Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode. This car is a beast. I'll show you in a minute. Guys, that was the video that I had planned for you lot, and unfortunately it's not going to go that way. The build for the A35 AMG is over. It will never be on the channel again. I was working with a company called ODR Rentals. They brought the car to my attention. Back in April, I got a direct message on Instagram from a kid called Samad. He represents ODR Rentals. He says him and his cousins own ODR Rentals. He told me that, yeah, I like what you're doing and the channel. I can see that your channel is growing. I've got a proposition for you that will help grow your channel even more. He showed me some pictures of a very smashed Mercedes AMG, the same yellow one. He asked me if I could repair it for him, how much I would charge to repair it for him. He told me he can get it to me as soon as I give him a decent price. I told Samad that if I do it, I'm not just doing it for the financial gain, I'm doing it for the content, because I believe that the AMG will help to grow Salvage Nation as a channel, and I was confident that I could do the work. It was clear that the car was sat for some time, the batteries were dead, everything was dead, and luckily you guys saw it as well. I have everything recorded from the day it was delivered up until this week. You've seen all the work that I've done on this car. I've kept Samad up to date with everything. When the car was dropped off, I asked for a deposit. He deposited £150 of the £1,500 that he was meant to pay for my labour. And I'll say this now because Samad plus the guys from ODR Rentals, they've all been commenting on my Instagram page about this troll. I can't even say his name. If you guys see this guy leaving any comments on any pages, he's a local troll that's known to have mental health issues. I kept seeing him posted, well done Salvage Nation, well done Salvage Nation. Now all of a sudden it's changed and he's made an Instagram account dedicated to trolling Salvage Nation. I just want to put this out there. The car, although it was not owned by me, I did not purchase the car. However, for all intensive purposes, the car was in my possession. He dropped it off to me. He knew we had an agreement, and the car was in my possession to do the rebuild, to film the rebuild, and to publish it on my YouTube channel. That was the agreement. I did 5 episodes to date. The beginning of what you've seen in this video was the beginning of episode 6, but I will not be publishing the full video because I didn't get to finish it. After doing the final assembly on the car and doing a test drive, I then tried to drive the car to get the headlights coded, because when you replace the headlight it needs to be coded. That's when I realized that the car's got a tracker on it. Samad kept calling me, telling me that his brother is giving him grief because I drove the car, even though I insured the car, even though Samad himself sent me pictures of the logbook so that I can tax the car with the document reference number. Anyway, long story short, Samad became unhappy with the amount of times that I was giving him an update. I became unhappy with the amount of times he was demanding an update and the tone in which he was speaking to me. So I told him, if you're not happy with the updates that I'm giving you, because I felt like I'd kept him completely up to date, if you're not happy with the updates that I'm giving you, feel free to collect your car and pay me what I'm owed for the labour that I've done, and I'll stop what I was doing. As you guys seen, and what I know is the car came to me in a non-drivable state. I made the car able to be driven again. The car, I changed the subframe, I changed both suspension legs, suspension arms. Akil, I feel so bad for Akil. Akil, he sprayed the front end on the car. We were still in the process of sorting out the paintwork and also giving a buff job. It was unfinished. As you can see, I've still got the key. Have a look. This is the AMG key for the yellow A35. I came into work on Friday and I posted it on my Instagram as well, and the car was missing. Prior to them taking the car, the feedback every time they came, every time they dropped a message was, oh my God, it's looking nice, you're doing a great job, perfect, perfect, perfect. Now they've taken the car without paying. It's turned into, I'm a cowboy, I'm lying, I'm a fraud, I'm this and I'm that. Listen, these are all deflection tactics. Deflecting from the real fact that I believe this was a planned scam from the get-go. The car had a tracker in it, I wasn't aware. So once the work was done, it's not going to be in the garage at all times. And then I believe this was a planned scam. And they've taken the car without paying. Calling my phone, I can show you right now. Have a look at all of those. Is literally no caller ID, no caller ID, trying to intimidate me. Samad even sent me a text message, and I will read what the text message says. Please don't try making lies about us. I'm not lying. You took the car stolen because the car was in my possession. You haven't paid for your work. You took the car, and the police, it's been reported to the police. They completely agree. It's theft. Then he says he will get in touch with your uncle, see why you really owe him money. I do not know what uncle he's talking about. I've got a troll on Instagram. I don't even know his name. It's Olawan. I can't even say it. But he's an Instagram troll. He's been trolling me for the past couple of months. I just don't let it bother me. So they're trying to deflect a lot of things, but the facts still remain. You took the car without my knowledge, you haven't paid me, and the crime has been reported to the police. I'm out of pocket, Akil's out of pocket, but you know, the show must go on. I just wanted to make this video so that you guys are aware of what's happening and why you won't be seeing the A35 on the channel again. I've had a lot of comments from friends and other people connected with ODR Rentals, trying to intimidate me as well on Instagram, saying the car's not mine, the car's not this. Listen, it doesn't matter. Whether the car is mine or not, it does not matter. I'm setting the record straight right here. That's just not how you do business. All that work, all that effort comes to nothing, and it goes, you know. But guys, this weekend has been one of the toughest weekends because I wanted to just pack it all in. I don't know what to say. In my absence, the guys from ODR Rental came down to the garage. They demanded their parts from Akil. I wasn't present. And somehow they broke into this locked car park. And they've clearly got a spare key, and they've taken the car. I found the car to be stolen, or at least I thought it was, so I reported it to the police, only to find out that it was the same very guys that I was supposed to be working with who came and took the car without paying any form of labor. Now I'm out of pocket for my time, my effort, and you guys seen the amount of time, the amount of effort and the amount of work that I've put into this build. I feel sorry for him because once again he ordered the paint. I'm gonna stop talking now because I'm really not in the mood anymore. This weekend I've really thought about packing in the whole YouTube stuff. I'm just getting back to real life, so I'm gonna have to take a little break, regroup, speak to my family, speak to my friends, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one.